Hi, so let's do another update on Project RX-2. So what we've been doing is removing all the paint and Bondo from the driver's side of the car. That was the side of the car that was all rusty and all the paint has peeled off. And we use SPI white epoxy primer. There's about 2 coats of it. I initially was not going to do any body work, but painting it kind of showed off all these tiny little door dents across the entire car, so I decided to just start doing some filler work. Nothing too major I found, other than, let's take a look at the front fender here. Initially I found this, I was like, oh, that's pretty thick, the Bondo. This is all just, the Bondo's all off there right now, this is just epoxy primer. And I was like, well, that's pretty thick, but it's not too bad. And then I started getting off more and more Bondo. I was like, wow, there's a lot more crap here. And then you look at the front, you're like, wow, there's a fucking giant hole. So right now I'm searching around for a replacement fender. There's another couple holes down here. And that was all just covered in real thick Bondo out to the other side as well. So for the 4-day weekend I got for 4th of July, I'm gonna do another coat of epoxy primer throughout the entire car. I didn't have that good of coverage for the roof. You can see a few little stripes here and there, and a little bit of contamination that possibly happened right here. The epoxy peeled off. So I'm gonna sand that a little bit. Do another coat there. Do some sealing around the windows if I can. Maybe fix a few more little dents and little things with filler. I'm about, I think, 80% done. I don't want it perfect, but I just want it relatively pretty. Passenger side, the quarter panel is a lot straighter, but there's still a little bit of door dings. Here's a couple I still haven't fixed yet. Really minor, but you can kind of see it when it's actually, you know, a glossy color. Looking pretty good. Still a lot more work to do, but I'm kind of at the final line of what I want bodywork wise for at least the time remaining. It's going to be all sealed up. Rust is all removed. You can see the roof before there's quite a bit of problems, but now it's actually pretty clean. Did the front cowl as well. Removed all the paint. Go with epoxy primer. And I'll get around to the hood, the trunk, and the passenger side, but the paint's okay for now, so I'm just going to decide to leave it. Thanks.